Hey, I'm making a YouTube video about my custom bike. It's called the Boss Hog. Come on in here. Here, I got the frame from a yard sale for 20 bucks. It came with fenders, tires, and a bottom chassis, which I had to replace. It was all mangled up. Went with a diamond plate with a flat iron. It's got brand new clutch, brand new chain, brand new sprocket, and a brand new Predator motor, 6 horse. Yeah, 6 horse. When I went to the motorcycle shop, I got the springs, and in the front I got motorcycle springs. So this rides like a Cadillac. So, and then I got the brake, which is disc brake. Got my throttle. Brand new motor. I'm gonna give you a test ride real quick here.